SheCanEngineer have invited 80 students from local schools around Manchester to come here to the University of Manchester for a day all about engineering and women in STEM. SheCanEngineer really want to show to young students all the types of engineering that are available. We want to introduce them to the massive variety of careers and really give them a taste of what it's like to be an engineer.
Me and my friends have visited Manchester University at the SheCanEngineer event. Today I met women that work in the engineer aspect of university, and I really enjoyed knowing what engineering is. I really enjoyed seeing that women can do STEM. I enjoy English and you can have English aspects in STEM. I really enjoyed meeting new people, hanging out with my friends and meeting different schools.
The students have had a really great day and hopefully we've inspired them.